everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your password for WriteSonic account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open up a web browser. In the search box, type in writesonic.com and press enter on your keyboard. Go ahead and log into your account like you normally do. And once you're logged into your account, from the main home page, click on the profile icon at the upper right hand corner. In the expanded pop-up, click on Profile Details. Now under Profile Details, scroll a bit down and you'll be able to see the new password text box. Type in the new password you would like to change to for your WriteSonic account and make sure to type in a strong password. Once you're done, confirm the new password by retyping it again on the next field. Make sure that both the passwords in the text boxes matches and finally click on Create Password. Now, you'll need to type in your old password as well. Go ahead and type it in and click on Update Password button. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to update your account password for WriteSonic. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.